Uh-oh, no wild sex in here, Davide. You're gonna hit your head and you're gonna knock yourself out. Boom, and that's it. We're done. So I'm gonna buy a house that's a vacation house where I'm gonna have a romantic time with my partner, and all I'm thinking about is that's not comfortable. It's crazy out and I'm lost and can't find the realtor, and he's not responding to my WhatsApp. So looking for real estate in Italy, it's an adventure. Yeah, I think we're gonna see some real estate in one of my favorite towns, Bocca di Magra. It's a classic Italian vacation spot. We love it. Great restaurants, just charming, except for today. You guys remember Davide, David? He owns the real estate agency. If you need information about the agency, it's below. He's brought his associate with him, Raffaella. Nice to meet you. And we are going to see a beautiful place in Bocca di Magra. As you can see, the weather is cooperating. It's quite beautiful here. It's actually a beautiful seaside town, and it is very sunny most of the time. But you know my luck.
Not today.
Okay, so entrance.
Yes.
How many apartments are in this building?
We have 12.
So it's sort of a summer apartment. You know, I mean, I guess you could live here. I don't know that that's what this is for. This is a really great lock and leave. Actually, great location, small town, super charming, great restaurants. Is there an elevator?
Elevator.
Lift?
No, there is not elevator.
No elevator. No, I mean,
floor.
because, yeah, well,
Two
Americans like an elevator. We're gonna go up 12 floors, come with me. Oh, this is a cool apartment. Very cool.
Yeah. It's a modern double volume, and there is a fireplace in.
There's a fireplace, I'm standing in the fireplace. Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah.
I do like the kitchen, it's very, very cute. I would leave this, it's fun. This is the living room, dining room, this is it?
Yeah.
How many square meters is this?
100 in total.
It's probably like around a little over 1,000 square feet, a little bit over. And they managed to fit 3 bedrooms in here. I'm really interested. Obviously, you know, there's a big kitchen table. The living area is interesting. What happens when you stand up from the sofa? No, seriously, like how do you sit here? This is weird.
Oh, yeah, I think that
You don't think this is weird, Davide?
Oh, come.
Come sit by me.
Okay.
It's a little weird.
Okay.
It's a little strange. Okay. All right, so watch your head. Mind your head.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, so there's, for little people, there's seating. Oh, there's a terrace there. Oh my gosh, this is fabulous. Full disclosure, this is one of my favorite towns. I can't even believe I'm telling you about this because I don't want to tell anybody about this because I don't want anybody moving here because I love it the way it is. I mean, look at that view. This is beautiful. Fantastic. Love all the houses around. They're super cute and chic. Very, very cool. Oh, there's another terrace. Oh my God, the view out here is even better. Oh, wowza. Oh, this is so cute. So obviously this property is a little bit more expensive, but worth it because where you're living is amazing. And you just move in, you don't have to do anything. Lock and leave is great, easy to get to. Not far from the autostrada, not far from Sarzana. It's a great location. Beautiful, beautiful.
Green.
Really fantastic. It's great, great floors. This is great.
I have a surprise for you.
That's the surprise? The remote control?
That's the surprise.
Beautiful view. It's great. And then there's a little terrace here too. Well, I will say Italians are very good at taking a tiny space and making it fabulous. I will say that. I mean, it's just so efficient. This bed probably, does it lift up? Does it have storage? So I would suggest that in here because there's not any, there's no closets.
Yeah.
That's a problem.
It's not a very big this bedroom, but
Well, you need a closet. Where do I hang my clothes?
On the terrace.
I think this is a solution here. The solutions that we have at our house is to put a rack in, you know, like an IKEA rack, and then you just hang your clothes in here. Again, more of a summer place, very beachy here. They actually have a beach club here, which is it's a very funny, funky beach club that they have here, because there's no sand, there's just rocks, and the rocks are like Carrara marble. All right, so, oh look, it's an IKEA mirror, an IKEA picture. It's all IKEA in here. IKEA. Uh-oh, another bedroom. Watch out, Stephen.
Little bedroom.
Oh, geez, Louise. So this is a closet. I would probably turn this into a closet. So this would be the closet for the bedroom. It'll be fine for all the bedrooms, for the entire house. For me, this would turn into a 2-bedroom because there's no one I would put in that room to sleep.
but the master bedroom is in the upper side.
I'm there with you. Let's go, Davide. Let's go to the master bedroom. Michael's silently laughing out of it. Oh, this is the master bedroom.
Yeah.
I don't know who lives here, but it's not going to
We
be
can think about a square bed.
We can discuss the bed.
In the center of the room.
Yeah, Davide.
Yeah.
Now
You
you're
think it's
thinking.
better.
Now you're thinking. I would make this like a wet room, and downstairs I would make the big closet.
Where is the private bathroom?
Oh, there's a bathroom there. Yeah,
Bathroom?
I would make the whole thing a bathroom then. Oh yeah, we just bump through and make this a bathroom. The only thing I really don't like, Davide, is I don't like the ceiling. There's nothing you can do about this. And it's the same in there.
Yeah.
It's not great. If I love something, I'm like, oh, this is great. This is a little challenging. But so you weigh it, you go, views, location, you know, all the things, you know, location's great, price is good for the area. I can walk to town, walk to the restaurant, go to the Seaside. I mean, it's a very pretty apartment, but the thing about this apartment is the views are amazing. You know, and the little fireplace area is a hoot. I'd probably rip it all out and put real furniture there. I hate these people's design aesthetic, I will tell you that. I would rip that out. That's where you put the comfy chairs, where you read your book. Not in the here where you stand up and you knock yourself out. I mean, you know, everywhere you go, you knock yourself out. So let me show you what I would do. So you put 2 nice comfy chairs here. This goes bye-bye. I put storage in here, put your shit in there. Then you just have a nice dining room. When you stage a house and you put sofas there, immediately you put the idea in someone's head that, oh, we can't sit down anywhere. When you do this kind of roof, it's a void space.
Yeah.
There's storage here, that's good.
Yeah.
There's storage there, that's good. That's not the master, that could be an office and sort of a guest room. You sit up in the middle of the night, you have a bad dream, you knock yourself out.
Yes.
You're like, oh my God. This is the master. You invest in a bathroom, big deal. You know, it's no big deal. I mean, you could buy this place. I would do a lowball bid on it, buy it, throw in, honestly, you could throw in 10,000 euros and this would be perfect. Like perfection, like. Because the terraces are, that's where I'm gonna be, you know. I'm gonna be having my coffee out there, reading my book out there. I mean, this is a really cool pad, is what I would call it, in a incredibly cool neighborhood. I mean, this is a gem. This is a gem. So if you're in Italy and you're looking for a lock and leave, I suggest you look at this house because the modifications are super minor. Minor, it's nothing. It's like you take that out, put some chairs there. I mean, it's like basta, it's done. Okay, so we've done it. Thank you so much, Davide.
Thank you.
Michael. And thank you, Raffaella. Thank you very much for joining us today in this beautiful, beautiful place, Bocca di Magra. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much if you've made it this far. Bye.
Goodbye.